Hello children, guess the missing character. Guess the missing character. The missing character is she. Who is missing? The missing character is M. Which character is missing? The missing character is L. Which one is missing? The missing character is D. Guess the missing character. The missing character is N. Who is missing? The missing character is N. Which one is missing? The missing character is B. Which one is missing? The missing character is C. Guess the missing character.